So this one, it's got a bit of a split just here. It's supposed to be attached there, so just to hold it while it, oh, so it's in the right place. And you drop a bit of CA glue, an activator on there, then that'll hold, hopefully not my thumb, that'll hold it in place while I get some tape on the back, then glass it from the back end. Oh, this one's going to be like an unboxing, look, it's got like a black bandage on it, how exciting. But unlike the other unboxings on YouTube, this one's just going to be full of disappointment when it comes open. All this tape is, it's really good stuff. We just knocked you. No. Yeah. Same thing again then. Scuff at the back. Get a bit of find where it's meant to be. Oh, sorry about that. CA glue, hold it in place, job done. Noise alert. You get the idea. Same thing again, if you can hear me over the compressor and this air leak. CA, bit of activator, oh that did work. These are so thin, even if I get it slightly off, they'll pull into place, so I'm not too fussed. Right, tape them. So these holes that have punched through, I've got two on this, to stop the resin and choppings and the mat and all just running straight through the hole. I just bung it up with a bit of plasticine. That'll do it. Oh. So what I do with these is, where have we gone? There you are. Put a bit of plasticine in there, and if it's not really squidgy enough, I sometimes just put a bit of mould releasing wax in, just to make it a bit more, yeah, like that. And then just try and get it to push to the edges just so you don't get resin running down the sides. Same with that one. Get the shape you want, then that's good enough to go. And there's something I was going to tell you. What was I going to tell you? Yeah, I think that's it. Can't remember. Right, let's get glassing. Some of these have got carbon Kevlar over the holes. These haven't. It just gives it a bit more strength, a bit more wear resistance. So I've cut some just there, put them over the holes, and then I'm going to cut some more to go around the back of these edges that are broke. Give it a bit more strength. And oh yeah, so I use these little scissors for cutting Kevlar. They work okay. I bought these bought those off eBay. They're alright for carbon, but not too good for Kevlar. They don't do too well. And those just came off Wish, I think it was. Worked perfect. So we're a couple of days later, and that's it's got that now. That's fine. It's got that little edge around the corner there as well. So we'll get all these edges sanded up. Dig that piece out there, where we joined it. Bit of a fractory thing going on here. We'll sand all that out, get them filled up, get them painted. So this is the one that got the hole in it. So all I did was obviously taped it. So it's split under here. We CA glued it. It's got it. That'll do nicely. And this one with the bottom all cracked, split.
Put a bit of carbon Kevlar on the inside of that just to try and help it. That's right, I've got that one. That's a bit the same. Oh, this is the one that's split down the front. You see I glued that one as well, I think. And this bottom, that makes the same as the one that's got ripped out. And carbon Kevlar in there as well. Cool, we'll get them sanded back. Drag them in some matte black.
Progress report then. So everything's sanded back. Dodgy gel coat that's split is out. That's done. There's a couple of starry nights going on just here, so I've knocked them out. And just generally digging out any loose gel coat, and we'll get them filled now. So happy days. So this is the one that had the hole in the wing just there. So I've flattened it down, just panel wiped it. We'll flash a bit of matte black over that one. So both rear arches. This is the one that was split across there in two halves, and this one had the bottom knocked out of it. So all painted. Get these wrapped up, ready to send back. So this is the near side front wing. I think it got knocked off here somewhere. So it was just taped on. And that bottom corner had been knocked off there as well.